Hello, 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 boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday, December the 20th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. The jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. And this one will be number 7656. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 18 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Not H's, 4 O's or 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the O first. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Well. Do we need to compare? Cannot believe this. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. I think we need to compare. How about this row and that row? 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, empty box, 0, 0. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, a long time no see. Comparing with an 8 by 8 puzzle. But we solve again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.